everyone, we are unboxing Cat Movie created by Ragapala Creation, a competitive party game about cats.
Wow, I can't wait. Let's open it.
Box first. This is what's inside the box. It contains all the components needed for the game.
This is the rule card, friends, where all the rules of the games are written here. And this is the game board, right?
Yes.
Let's unfold it on the table so it's easy to see.
All players start in their position, and the mirror is censored. This is a deck of 48 cards. It contains items, distraction, and home order.
-1, -2, and -3, and +1, +2, and +3. Then, what is this distraction card?
This card makes you imitate the cat's behavior on it. Imitate the sound of a cat hissing.
Let me try the other one.
I have this, you have this.
So, what is the function of this component card?
It is a special card that is played at the end.
If it's a distraction, show it, imitate, and tidak pakai. If it's not, roll the dice, 1, and move.
Follow for updates.
Cat Foodie is coming to Kickstarter.
More soon!